Probably a small.
Medium.
It's an extra small.
It's an extra small. We're heading downtown, and we need the essential of coffee.
Sorry.
It's gonna be a little windy. The sights, the sounds, and the smells of a coffee shop in the morning, ideal.
Thank you. Downtown Clayton, what a pleasant place. Now to everyone's favorite pre-retreat stop,
Walmart.
Wally World.
How about the Wally World National Anthem?
We're not even fooled by this at all. We're not really here to shop for retreat. We're really just here to shop for Natalie because she's on the Whole30 diet with Ashley, so she needs diet food. So we're really just here to do that. Are those organic? This is going down.
Isn't there like a rule, like if you put on the one that you buy it?
I don't know. It's so small.
That's because you probably...
It's too small.
Medium.
It's an extra small.
It's an extra small.
I love this. Walmart shopping excursion complete. We have every diet food you could think of for Natalie, and then costumes galore for Natalie. Here's a little hint for the costume. It's a little he's a little known comic character.
Handing us the payment.
You guys want jelly?
No thanks. Actually, Chick-fil-A sauce. Shopping. That only took like an hour and a half. That wasn't too bad.
Straight, just skipping out on loading.
This is a hard hat only work zone. So you guys are gonna have to stay here. It's coming together nicely. It has been a while since you guys had an update. The room is looking pretty spectacular and colorful and finished. We finished like an hour ago, which was perfect, but the craziness begins now.
I'm Deputy Fire Marshal, Fire Chief, Fire Marshal, Fire Deputy Fire Chief Officer Snookums. What kind of a firefighter shows up with a crappy mustache, no boots, no suspenders, no helmet, and late? Harambe. You have about 10 seconds to get a helmet. 10, 9, 6, 3, 4, 6, 2, 1.
We're practicing skits for tomorrow morning.
Freaking nightmare. Oh my gosh.
I have a walkie-talkie. I'm official, but we're practicing skits. It is most certainly bedtime, and this is most certainly the best onesie I've ever worn. Choose virtue, choose life. So long for now. Today will live in infamy. Craziest day of my life.
And that's about it.